In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to webinar with Getresponse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a basic webinar in just a few clicks without getting lost in extra settings or complicated options. Let's start right inside your Getresponse account. From your main dashboard, look toward the top menu and find the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Webinars. This will take you to the Webinar section, where you'll see a button to create a new webinar. Click Create Webinar. This is where the setup officially begins. On the next screen, you'll be asked for some basic details. First, enter your webinar title. Try to choose something clear and specific so your audience instantly understands what they'll learn. You can always adjust the wording later, but it helps to have a strong descriptive title from the start. Next, set the date and time for your webinar. Make sure you select the correct time zone, especially if you have an international audience. It's a good idea to double-check the time so it works well for your target viewers and to give yourself enough preparation time. Once you've confirmed the title, date, and time, click Save this step. This locks in your basic webinar details and moves you forward in the process. After saving, you'll be taken to the registration settings. Here, you need to choose which email list will collect your webinar signups. Select the list where you want your registrants to be stored. If you already have a main list for leads or webinar attendees, pick that one so all your contacts stay organized. If you prefer, you can create a dedicated list beforehand just for webinar registrations. But for now, simply choose the list that makes the most sense for your setup. When you've selected it, click Save this step. With your details and registration list in place, you're nearly done. Now click the Create button. Getresponse will process your settings and, within a moment, it will generate a unique link for your webinar. This link is what you'll share with your audience. You can add it to emails, social posts, or your website so people can register and join at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've created a webinar in Getresponse with the minimum number of clicks, and you're ready to start inviting attendees.